Morning, everybody. It's 8:41 on this Wednesday morning, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 2066. Okay, so we have Asia up, Europe slightly lower. Here at home, the stock futures are up 54 in the Dow, up 82 in the Nasdaq, and up 14 in the S&P. We had mortgage apps come out early this morning at up 3.7%, which is versus last week's up down 7.2%. Also, trade balance just came out. It was negative 62.2. That's versus initially a down 63.2 that was revised to only down 61.9. So trade balance actually increased. A whole bunch of earnings. I'm not going to go through them individually, but I will tell you Ford beat and is higher. CVS beat and is higher. Enphase beat. CMG beat and Fortinet beat. On the downside, we have Snap, and that was down almost 30% last night. We have Gilead, which is down 2.3%. VF Corp, which actually missed on both earnings, revenues, and guidance. And it's down 10.8%, 15.12, down $1.83. And we have Uber, which beat, but evidently not by enough. Currently, it is 69.36. That's down $1.11 or 1.6%. And again, it did beat on both earnings and revenue, but the stock has been sitting, making new highs, new all-time highs. So it's just sinking slightly. Okay, the chart on the screen is the oil, and I'm a little perplexed, not perplexed, but concerned about this. As I mentioned yesterday morning, it looked like the 5 was going to go through the 20-day moving average to the downside, which it did yesterday, even though we were higher. This morning, we have a higher high and a higher low. My concern was a close above 73.82, which was last week on the way down after breaking from just below the 200-day MA. The problem here is that the MACD is also rolling over and will cross today, unless we have a really huge move back to the upside. And I'm just not sure that this market is ready to do that yet. So we don't have any position in it. I'm going to sit aside and watch. We do have some oil stocks in the stocks for total return. We have Pioneer, which is a deal with Exxon. So we'll have to wait and see on that one. As far as the rest of the markets go, it's pretty quiet. Gold is down 80 cents, silver down 13.8 cents. In the softs, we have cotton slightly higher, coffee slightly higher, and sugar much stronger, I think. As far as the dollar goes, we're down another quarter. That's just about what we were down yesterday. Bitcoin doing nothing, up 25, and Ethereum down 12. And the bonds, which were a little bit higher this morning, are now down 8/32 or 1/4. All right, folks, be careful out there. There's no more economic news, but there are plenty of earnings. I'll be back tonight.